Hi, I'm Laura, and this is the new digital toaster oven by Toshiba. A beautiful stainless steel oven that has an amazing range of features. You can bake, broil, defrost, or reheat, and even create a healthy rotisserie meal. It has a spacious interior large enough for 6 slices of bread and up to a 12-inch pizza. And it has a beautiful blue LCD screen, so it's easy to read. The digital screen allows for more accurate and all-purpose control for the menus, temperature, and time. Let's say we want to prepare a 12-inch pizza. Simply select the pizza function from the digital control panel, adjust the temperature and time, and push start. The powerful convection fan circulates hot air throughout the interior for fast, even cooking. So there's no guessing. You get perfectly prepared meals every time. In just minutes, our pizza is finished. One of my favorite features is the rotisserie function. With the Toshiba digital toaster oven, it provides a healthy way to cook delicious and juicy chicken. And best of all, it eliminates unwanted fat and grease. Simply remove the rack from the oven and place the baking pan at the lowest level of the oven. Then secure the meat with the weight centered on the forks. Insert into the sockets on either side of the oven. Select the rotisserie function and the temperature and time and push start. When it's complete, you end up with a healthy, delicious prepared dish your whole family can enjoy. The digital toaster oven by Toshiba. Make cooking easier and better.